Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how I made $600 this month by selling books without Amazon KDP. And I use only two platforms. I use Gumroad to upload my books and AI Sales Rocket. This software, it's a magic. What actually AI Sales Rocket? It's a content machine. Here you upload your book on AI Sales Rocket and connect your social media platform like Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Threads, any platform you want. And that's it. AI Sales Rocket will generate a daily content post and upload it on your social media platform without you do anything. Just upload your book, contact social media account, that's it. And it's work 24/7 hour every day. I know create content every day is exhausting, but with AI Sales Rocket, you can do that just one time and let AI generate the content and traffic for your ebook. If you want to try AI Sales Rocket, you find the link in the description and see you the next one.